Hello, YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so after we got stuck there at the Ohio toll plaza, Mr. Nate turned around and found us a little hole to cut through. So we cut through and crossed over to the other side, got back going the other direction, got off at the first off ramp, which put us on this US 20 that the woman at the toll booth was telling us about. So now if you look over to your right, that's the thoroughway over there. And that's where all the backup is with the turned over cattle truck. So anyway, we're on the back road here, getting on down the road, working our way east. Enjoy. at this point, the trip got kind of interesting. I called myself kind of jetting out and being the first one to Madawaska and take care of some things. And I got fuel, got right back on the highway when I should have stayed off the highway when I got fuel. I went up to the next accident. It ran me right into the Canada border, which you see right here. But this is re-entering to the United States side. So along with my firearm and all, they detained me for about an hour, hour and a half, and then I got up and running and met Mr. Nate over in Madawaska. Oh, we made it back over to, met up in Madawaska. At that time, he must have beat me there probably about 30, 40 minutes he had to wait. It's a little inconvenience. But once I got there, we had plans to head on back down, and I turned my bike off to gas up and to get this picture at the Madawaska Four Corners, and my bike just blew out a whole bunch of white smoke. So we panicked, tried to get a tow truck, did a whole lot of stuff, didn't want to get stuck up that high. So what you're going to see now is me taking off and heading back. And I did a 36-hour run from Madawaska to Parole, Georgia. And I got to run. So the next time you see me, I babied that bike through New York and everything, 30-minute shutdowns. And next time you see me, I will be in Parole, Georgia.
Tips, motivation, or just inspiration, subscribe to my channel, PJ Ground Pounders. Let's get prepared and ride.